Hello everyone, and welcome back to Life of Pang. This week's rice cooker baking didn't turn out so well, so you're getting this one-pot, easy and delicious meal. I am using spaghetti, but you can use linguine as well, and cook your pasta per your package direction. And also know that the full recipe and cooking instructions are in the description box of this video as well. I'm using my pressure cooker to cook my pasta for about 20 minutes. And drain your pasta. Now if your pasta is not al dente, then make sure you rinse it with cold water to stop it from cooking further. Peel and mince your garlic however you want. And by the way, this is not a baking recipe, so you can use more or less of the seasoning to your own taste, okay? And you do need this much butter because it's what makes this pasta taste so good. Fry this for about 2 or 3 minutes until the garlic is almost brown. And then add the rest of your ingredients, your shrimp and all the seasoning, including the lemon juice and lemon zest if you are using it. And yes, I did overcook my shrimp here. I would love to see your creation, so send pictures or videos to me. You can upload your videos and pictures to my Facebook page under the same recipe posting, and all my contact information is in the About section of my profile. Also, I forgot about the lemon juice until the end, but you know what? It still tastes wonderful. Continue to cook and reduce all the liquid, and then it's time to enjoy it. I like to top mine with a little bit of parsley and more crushed red pepper flakes. If you like my videos, please help me share with other people by clicking that like button and putting a comment down below. And if you're new here, I upload a new video every Saturday, so make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any new recipes. And oh yeah, dinner is served. I told you this recipe was easy. Now go and make it for your family. Don't go away so quick. Watch more video here and here, or watch the whole playlist right here.